Alrighty, gang. Good morning. Is Today is August 22, 8:02 a.m. Let's see what the Nasdaq 100 is doing. All right, let's go straight to it. Before that, um, I had to do this. And most important, subscribe, people. If you like what you see, subscription is free. You're not gonna pay one penny, and this may help you in your trading decisions. All right, do it in the morning, the afternoon, and let's see what we see. All right, this is the Nasdaq 100. Now, what's going on right now at this instant? What do you see, people? This formation is extremely relevant. Watch this. We have a bottom here. As you probably seen, this is what I used to trade. I pretty much use very little indicator at the first stage. I use the indicators just to see, to almost confirm, you know. And the main reason is that indicators have an inherent problem, and then they are behind price, which is not too bad when you use it in the context of the trend and the costing of this analysis. All right. Now, watch how powerful is this. All right. Let's do this. Okay. Watch this bottom here. All right. I'm concentrating in this aspect. I already knew the thing is going to the upside. All right. But I want to show you how potent this technique is. We have a bottom here. You know what I'm going to say, right? What happened here? The movement up to this point, it may change, but up to this point, fell to bridge this point. You understand? So what is this going? To the upside. We see impulse up here. This is how the market moves, people. If you don't know this, you are trading absolutely blind. So what do we have? We have our high point here. This was my first high point. Here, it formed this point, this high point. Impulse retracement back to this point. The next movement, if this point is not bridged, and if this point is not bridged, people, it's going up, and we can actually see the movement going to the upside. You see what I'm talking about? Concentrate in try to identify this, because when this happens, it's almost 100% that this movement is going to move to the upside. This is what happened right now. Now, yesterday, I entered to the downside here and grabbed probably, no, it was short because I realized, and this is where the indicators are useful, certain indicators. I use standard deviation channels, all right? Can you see the channel there, people? I realized, holy crap, this is entering a heavy-duty support area, all right? Reduce to minimum expression, the first stage, all right? See what I'm talking about? Can you see the channel here? I was trying to look for the channel, but I couldn't see it. Sorry for being human, all right? So right now, I can tell you, if everything remains the same, the Nasdaq 100 is going to reassess the uptrend here. How far up? I don't know. All right. Well, I have a target up here, but let's continue the conversation here. Let's bring the standard deviation channel. Standard deviation channel, I like it because it's a statistical tool. All right. It's used in many things. I forgot the setting here. Let's start in 233. 233. Did I start here? I use Fibonacci numbers too. I'm looking to get this point here. You see, impulse, retracement, okay? So that will be 377 maybe. You cannot make this up, people. Huh? Can you see the response of this in here? This response to this area of support here. If you want to see if this area have a historical relevance, you project these points to the back and you see if this area here have historical relevance. What it means is the price had been there before. Let's see. We take the last point here. A line is made out of many points. Every single point in this line is a price level. But we're not going to go that far. Okay, let's see. Amazing. Look at this. Boing. And there is no more data there. You see bounce from there, bounce from there. Broke above, came back, could not go to here. Something happened here that caused the price to bounce. All right. If you take the back, you see it. Touch, touch, touch. So these have historical relevance. Okay. Would that mean 100% that this is going to move up here? I don't know. But it's setting up to do that. That's why, what is my position? I am right freaking there. What a coincidence that the price is over. This is my buy. All right. My target is up here. It's a little higher than the middle. All right. So the point of this analysis is for you to see how relevant is to understand impulse and retracement. The moment you start working with this and your eyes get accustomed, you can identify all this amazing movement. All right. For example, here, this movement established the movement to the upside, pull back. This price brought below this price? No. So it's going up. And you can actually see it going up. You already knew that was established to the upside here. This is a Fibonacci level. Second leg, impulse, retracement, where? To the back support. Guys, I cannot make this up. If you are not reading the market this way and you only use indicators, you are setting up yourself for loss, okay? You can see it over and over again until, look what happened here, the reversal. Impulse, retracement. Did it pass here? No. Did it pass here? No. Did it pass here? It's telling you, I'm going down, 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 down. Never went above the last peak. This is the way the market moves. This is the way the market moves. You need 0 indicators to do this. All right? Please learn impulse and retracement, and you will use the tools that I use to determine those areas, which are the Fibonacci expansion, Fibonacci levels. All right? So you can measure. There is no magic in the Fibonacci numbers. It's a tool to measure impulse and retracement. And to me, it's freaking awesome. Why? Because I can see it all the time. This is a Fibonacci level. This is a Fibonacci level. This is a Fibonacci level. All these areas where the price stop in a pullback, it is a Fibonacci level. And most of the time is between 61.8 and 0.50. All right. Fibonacci expansion. Let's do one right here. Let's say you want to know, okay, let's say you don't use this. I don't know why you won't use a tool that is already included. Then the broker was so good to give it to you to make money. Okay. Now watch this. Fibonacci expansion. We take this point this point and we bring back down here. You see me doing this because I want to know where this movement may stop. All right. So what you do? Impulse retracement. Watch this. Object Fibonacci expansion. How far it's gonna go? 1 point, 2 point, pulling back down. Broke above one. This is gonna be like 200 and something. All right. But you can tell when the prices start getting into this area. Look what happened. Let me do this with the Fibonacci. That's gotta be like, no, don't even 200. Let me see, impulse in reverse. If you use the Fibonacci tool, retracement in reverse. Okay, let me see. Don't even close. This is 1.31. I'm telling you, people. Let me see. By experience, I know the level 1.31 is a bomb. I can tell you right now. This comes with the experience, all right? With the experience. Let me see. Did I put? Let me see. Look at this. All right? You have to learn how to measure the market. And the tools that are there, they are already there, which is the Fibonacci levels of projection, support and resistance. What do we see on the downside? In the movement that is already happening right now. Look with the 61. This is insane, bro. Boom. 6.1. Come on down here. It failed to bridge 2 points, this point and this point, which you tell me the movement is going to the upside. On top of that, I can see it going up. All right. But this formation is the one that you have to be able to identify. The next movement is going to be to the upside. All right. I saw the market slowing down here and said, I'm going in. I already have enough. Oh, Frank, I want to do a breakaway system. Okay, you wait for the price to bridge this point. Perfectly valid. You wait for the market to bridge this point. Some people even wait than the price to come back down. But I've seen so many times that the price just fly through there. Then it's insane. All right. I already know the trend is moving to the upside. Can you see it? I already knew. Look at my trend here, moving to the upside. Impulse, retracement, impulse. Guys, this is super powerful and it's relatively simple to do. After you eyes get accustomed to do this, it happens in any time frame, from 1 minute to 1,000 years. All right? It is very powerful. Today is Friday. Normally Fridays, the movements are, especially summer, they are kind of funny. But I believe that movement is going up. It's going up. So what do we see? NASDAQ 100 is going up, baby. Oh, yeah. All right, gang. Take it easy. Enjoy. Don't drink and drive. Bye.